Anytime that you are creating an account in Truth Social, you might get this error, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix it. So this is a common issue that faces many users who are trying to create accounts, and most of the time it's the authentication system at fault than it is yours. A VPN cannot work for you. You should know that. Even if you try that, the authentication demands you to give a number from the residence that you are currently in. Okay? And I'm pretty sure that will not even be possible, like purchasing virtual numbers. You need to use an already available number. And for that matter, to resolve the issue, just use a SIM card from another operator. Okay? Maybe you're using Airtel. Try to switch to MTN. If you're using Safaricom, try to switch to Airtel. Try to use different numbers so that you try to get the authentication code, right? And it's just that simple. Like for my case, I was able to create an account just by switching to Airtel. I was trying to create an account with Safaricom. I switched to Airtel and the code arrived and I used it to create the account. Be productive and see you on the next one.